Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $20,758. 24-hour volume, we're up 108%, and market cap, we are up 4.95%. So heading over to our chart here, we're going to cover over our day and then immediate short term for 4 hours, and then I'm going to sneak peek into 2 hours. But ultimately, Bitcoin is a beast right now, ultimately coming up to 127% of our fib. And now we're seeing some type of retracement here. If we are going to get into a 4-hour time frame to take a look at closer the, buying pressure or the selling pressure on a shorter time frame. But essentially here, we may see that selling opportunity at 78% of our retracement or our RSI itself. And we may come back down. If we take a look at the candlestick that we've got so far for today, it does look like mainly possibly a spinning top candlestick. And normally in these spinning top candlesticks in an advance, it's an exhaustion of the uptrend. So we may see that pullback happen. And if we are going to get that pullback, I'm going to create a new retracement level here for our fib. Here is essentially our golden number at 61%, but not necessary where the price may actually lead to. We do have the 50% as well, where we normally see retracement levels depending on how strong that momentum is with our MACD indicator. And we do see here just lightening up in the color tone for this momentum. So again, we are getting hints that the uptrend itself may have been exhausted, and the peak itself may be over. It all depends in the ending of today. If it is going to be a lighter tone by the end of today, then we may actually see Bitcoin retrace down, and depending on how that strength and that momentum is, price may crash and fall a lot for Bitcoin. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I honestly did not know Bitcoin was going to skyrocket this high. I was anticipating it coming down closer to our 38% of our fib here, but it just continued on. The MACD indicator opened up immensely here. We can see the spaces in between the signal line and the MACD line itself opened up, which strengthened that momentum, and huge strides here. If we can take a look here. Now let's kind of take a look at some of our retracement levels as the price was coming up, retouched around 23% of our fib here. So 23% we know came back down and retest closer to 50% here. So 23 and 50% as the price was going up in a 4-hour time interval. And we see the RSI may trigger again, just a selling opportunity. We see lighter in the bar so far for today. And the pressure is on because we can see that the high wick candle itself, but most importantly, that wick at the very bottom, the body itself is mainly more at the bottom. So we are getting that selling pressure. But let's take a look at our 2-hour time frame here. And yeah, kind of the same thing. We've got mainly a doji candlestick here. We have a few hints of the exhaustion. We do have the hanging man candlestick here. We do have roughly a hangman candlestick as well. So we may see that retracement levels in the next couple of days or so. We've already seen in the 2-hour chart a selling opportunity come down, and we are seeing some sporadics with our MACD indicator. Here we can see again lightness in the color. It is looking pretty good for this uptrend because we're not close to our 20 moving average here, which again is pretty good. Just pinching it to see if we can see the 100 MA, but I honestly can't. But yeah, we are going to experience some retracement. Again, if we do make a shallow dip over to 50% on a 4-hour time frame, it's only going to decrease that momentum itself. Or again, it might increase itself and come up to the 127 target at 21,300, depending on how fast this momentum is going. But let's double check again for the end of the today if we are going to be ending in this lighter color, because then now it does give us a hint that the momentum may be slowing down for this. So that's my update here for Bitcoin. Definitely let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.